Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Maschine, a hand-in-hand combination of sequencing software with a physical piece of gear, lets you program beats, loops, and melodies by tapping touch-sensitive pads while its software component runs on your computer. 9 November 2017.
Take our lead.
Maschine comes with an acclaimed 8 GB library of high-quality samples, sliced loops, drum kits, instruments, patterns, and projects right out of the box. Plus, it also includes complete 13 select 16 premium instruments and effects, including Massive, Monarch, Prism, Hybrid Keys, ROM, and much more.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.